So hi and welcome to another video of introduction to this October course pack. I'm Asad Kothari, your teacher, your lead instructor, and I welcome you in this course pack. I really appreciate you for being here, for being part of the course, for being part of the community of students that we deal with. And let me tell you, if you are starting to prepare, then you need to understand this video. In this video, I'm going to tell you that how to actually complete each chapter. That's a very important part because a lot of students do have this question when they start and get enrolled into the course pack. They have this question that how do we complete a certain chapter? If you're studying for AS level or A2 level, depending, then you have multiple chapters in the course, right? This is the syllabus of AS level as you see on your screen. This is the syllabus checklist of AS level as you see. We have Unit 1, then Unit 2, then Unit 3, then Unit 4, then Unit 5. Then we have specific chapters in each unit. This is for AS. And if you are studying for A2, then obviously we have some different chapters for A2 levels. This is what the syllabus for A2 looks like. Now, even like whatever level you are at, either AS or A2, whatever level you are studying for, you have to complete these chapters, right? If you're in AS, then you have to complete this list of these chapters, which are approximately 19 chapters. And then in A2, we have like around 17 chapters, and this is what the list looks like. So you see, and if you have to complete any chapter, let's say if you want, okay, sir, how do I complete chapter number 1? How do I know that I'm done with chapter number 1? Let's say if you are starting with chapter 1 in AS. So if I want to complete this chapter, if you want to complete this chapter in enterprise, the first step is, you can maybe note down these steps. The first step is you have to watch the video lecture of each chapter. If I want to complete, I'm just going to base my discussion on chapter 1 here so you understand, but this discussion is valid for any other chapter. But let's say if I want to complete chapter number 1, if you want to complete chapter number 1 as a student, then what you want to do, step number 1, you go to the video lecture of chapter number 1. I go to my folder of lectures and I get chapter number 1 and I start to watch each class. First step, watch all the video lectures of the particular chapter and make notes. Start to watch the video. Okay, so they're explaining this and start writing. Okay, start writing. Just watch all the video lectures is the first step. Second step is you go to the official book, our Peter Stimson book, which is our official course book. And you can get this book on our resources folder easily. This is what the official book looks like. And when you go in this book, and this book is valid for AS and A2 levels, okay? For both the levels, you can see in the index, you have all the chapters. So within this index, if you see chapter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, on the brackets, it's like AS level, AS level, AS level, AS level. And the last 4 are like A level, A level, A level, A level. So if it's written A level, this means it's for A2. If it's written AS, this means that's for first year. AS is first year, A2 is second year. Step number 1, you watch the video lectures. Step number 2, you go to the book. Let's say you want to study chapter 1. You start to read chapter from the book. So with unit number 1, chapter number 1, I go in and I start reading. I read this activity, this business case. Then I read all the headings, I read the content, really proper reading of the book. Everything written in the book, that's step number 2. That's a very important part because a lot of students skip the reading part. Don't do that, please. Don't do that. You have to read it properly, each paragraph at least once, okay? Step number 1, you watch the video lectures. Step number 2, you read the book. And then step number 3 is to do the homework. Homework is step number 3. And homework, again, is a very, 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 very important part. Do not miss it. And you will find the homework questions in our resources. That's if you're doing chapter 1. I go to homeworks, unit 1, chapter 1. And I start to see what questions are included in this homework. What I do is I read the questions. Let's say question 1 of this particular chapter says, explain the following problems a business could experience in its first year of trading. So competition and attracting employees and managing finance and Now, this is the question where you have to explain the problems a business could experience. And the content you will read from the book, you will get the answers easily from the book. Don't you worry about it. What you do, you see the homework questions, you take out your notebook again, write down the heading, homework questions of chapter 1, let's say, and attempt these questions. Write answers to these questions, no matter right or wrong, no matter you get 100 mark or 0 mark on that, but write it no matter what. Do not worry about the structure. When you do the homework, don't think, okay, what is the structure? Just make paragraphs. Just make good quality descriptive paragraphs, or maybe write as much as you can. These homeworks will give you that push, that the push into the notebooks, basically, where you pick up your pen, take out the notebook, read the question, read the book, and then write. Okay, that's a very, very, very important skill. And that's like a start of your writing skill. And you write all the answers, try to make it as descriptive. Don't worry about right or wrong. Just make your answers as descriptive. So you watch the video lectures, step 1. You go to the book, step 2. You go to the homework then, step 3. Once you're done with homework, I can say that, okay, this is the time I'm kind of very comfortable in chapter 1 now. And then I move to the next chapter, which is chapter 2. And then I move to the next chapter, which is chapter 3. These first 3 steps will at least make you very comfortable with each chapter. Initially, I would tell you not to worry much about structure right now. When you go into the past papers, when you go into the detailed writing, then definitely you will be learning how to structure your answers. But these are the first 3 steps that you need to do in order to complete each chapter, at least. Okay, and after that, obviously, you have more support resources in here. Once you're comfortable, let's say with entire unit 1, then you go to the glossary part, you go to the mind maps part, you go to the presentation part, just play around, read the study notes once for each chapter later on maybe. But at least the first 3 steps is the basics, right? Is the basics to give you a kickstart in every chapter. And then rest of the resources will come easy and smooth to you. So yeah, these are the 3 steps that you need to do. And I hope that this concept is kind of clear. And definitely, having said that, let me tell you, we are here as a team to support you throughout the session, throughout your preparation. And I'm more than happy, more than excited to be part of this journey. It's going to be a learning and a fun journey throughout. So thank you very much for being here. I appreciate you for being here, and have a good day ahead. Keep smiling. Thank you.